fellow geeks, nerds, fashion lovers, and people of all kinds. It's your fellow friendly alien, Allie, and I'm here to address the problem of sneezing. Because there are so many sneezes out there that I just felt like we need to, show all the different kinds there are because sneezes. So without further ado, on with the video. The quiet sneeze. The loud sneeze. The you look weird sneeze. The snotty sneeze. The spitty sneeze. I felt that.
Sorry.
I don't know if this is a real sneeze. The multiple sneeze. That one person who still dabs when they sneeze. Like, come on! Thanks so much for watching that sneeze-tastic video, guys. Sneeze-tastic. I can't get over that. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, there's a bunch of other videos, so you can go check those out too. And I will see you all next time in my next video. And if you liked it, like it, and if you want to subscribe, that's the button down there. That's red and it says subscribe. Only if you want to, though, because, fun. And I will definitely see you all next time. B-Y-E. Bye! I need to show Hannah's beautifulness. That is her.
My lips. Look at that gorgeous cheese. They're so overdrawn. I have such small lips.
Because you overdrew the one side, and so I had to do the other one, Hannah.
Sorry.